All right, back her up right here.
Watch the eggs on the left. Bring the jack around.
Careful with that stack, it's heavy. Don't worry, I got it. Send the next pallet over.
Make sure the temperature is stable before the doors close.
Confirmed. Everything is optimized.
Our towering silos ensure a continuous supply of the finest flour, seamlessly transferred through advanced pneumatic systems. These fresh eggs are rigorously inspected by our automated systems, ensuring only the highest quality for our cakes.
Automated sequence engaged. Butter blocks transferring to cold storage. Maintain optimal temperature.
Automated system status update. Silo intake levels are currently at 98% capacity. All production metrics remain optimal. Our state-of-the-art facility ensures every ingredient, like this premium cocoa, is handled in a completely dust-free environment.
Precise measurements are critical. Our automated systems ensure every ingredient, from baking powder to
The journey begins as the finest flour is pneumatically transported into our state-of-the-art mixing vessels.
All systems clear. The egg separation process is running efficiently at 500 units per minute.
Fresh milk, butter, and eggs combine with the finest flour and sugar to create the perfect batter.
Look at how smooth that texture is. Absolutely perfect for our signature vanilla bean.
automated flavor delivery engaged, ensuring consistent quality across all batches. Consistency is smooth. Sample approved for the next stage.
Our state-of-the-art cleaning system uses powerful, pressurized air jets, guaranteeing that every tray is impeccably clean before it joins the high-speed production line. The modern cake production line operates with flawless precision, moving thousands of trays every hour.
System check complete. Production line operating at optimal efficiency.
Attention all staff. Line 3 is running at full capacity. Please ensure quality control checks are completed hourly.
The temperature in Zone 3 is holding steady at 180 degrees. Good. Maintain the speed at 500 units per hour.
Quality check on the golden sponges at Station 3.
Product integrity check successful. Batches 7 through 12 are approved for cooling.
Here, precision meets perfection, as our signature golden crusts are formed in the gentle warmth of the oven. As the cakes reach their golden peak, they move from the warmth of the oven onto the cooling racks, ensuring perfect texture every time.
All products meeting specifications. Proceed to cooling phase.
Ensure the cooling vents are clear and maintain the current speed. We are ready for the next batch. Zone 3 cooling cycle complete. Prepare for automated frosting sequence.
Moisture levels optimal. Proceeding to packaging.
Our precision robotics ensure every cake is handled with the utmost care, delivering perfection every time. Our automated trimming machines ensure every cake leaves with perfectly uniform edges, minimizing waste and maximizing consistency.
Line 3 is now processing the vanilla sponge.
quality check at Station 4.
Check the alignment on the next batch.
Looks good from here, sensor readings are stable.
Quality check complete. Proceeding to next phase.
The enrober ensures a consistent coat every time. We maintain the temperature at exactly 32 degrees Celsius for that perfect gloss. Inside the cooling tunnel, the precise application of cold air ensures the chocolate sets perfectly before packaging.
All systems operating at optimal capacity.
Quality control has approved the current run. Maintain speed until further notice.
Attention all lines. Ensure chocolate drizzle calibration is within tolerance levels.
Our advanced AI vision system inspects every single cake, ensuring only the highest quality products reach the consumer.
The system detected a frosting anomaly. The unit has been successfully removed from the main conveyor, ensuring only perfect cakes reach the consumer.
The texture is inconsistent. See how it compresses? I'm noting the observation. The weight was acceptable, however.
Scanning sequence complete. Approved.
Quality control check on line 3 is complete. All products approved for shipment.
The heat sealing process ensures airtight protection, locking in the freshness you expect.
Utilizing advanced automation, each cake is individually wrapped and then precisely labeled before moving to packaging.
This close-up shows the precision of our barcode system. The optical scanners guarantee 100% readability every time.
At the automated boxing station, Precision Robotics handle the delicate products with speed and efficiency, ensuring perfect delivery. Our robotic arms ensure every cupcake is perfectly placed, minimizing human error.
Welcome to the future of baking. Our automated lines ensure peak freshness and rapid delivery of our signature assorted cakes.
Automated labeling sequence active. All units successfully processed.
Cycle complete. All parameters nominal.
Our state-of-the-art facility ensures every cake is perfectly wrapped, locking in freshness from our line to your door. Attention all operators, please ensure pallets are secured before transport. We have a large shipment arriving at Dock 3.
Scanning complete. All pallets are accounted for in the central inventory.
As you can see, the integration is seamless. We're loading your flour now.
Very impressive. The efficiency here is unmatched.
Attention all floor staff. Inbound shipment 742 is now arriving at Bay 3.
The manifest says 40 pallets for this shipment, but the third bay is still occupied.
It should be clear in 10 minutes. We can start loading the first 2 now.
Bay 2 is clear, moving in now. Copy that, watch your left side.
Scan complete. Everything is confirmed. You are good to go.
Every day, our state-of-the-art facility ensures the freshest cakes reach our customers.